Welcome to this video about the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra's new hardware-level privacy display feature. We all know the problem. People looking over your shoulder to see what is on your screen, which compromises your privacy. In the past, you might have relied on a screen protector, but these could be cumbersome and affect the screen's quality. Now, the Galaxy S26 Ultra introduces the world's first hardware-level privacy display. When viewed from the front, the screen is perfectly clear. However, viewing it from the side results in a completely dark screen. You have the choice to easily toggle the privacy display on or off, depending on whether you are using the phone alone or with others. The S26 Ultra also features smart apps, allowing you to automatically enable privacy display for sensitive applications like banking or car control apps. A hidden PIN feature ensures your passcode remains hidden from onlookers when unlocking your device. You can also keep your private messages unseen by blocking the viewing angle when notifications pop up. With the Galaxy S26 Ultra's privacy display, you have total control over who sees your screen and when.